Place the cabinet mount section into position and use the front and rear mounting points as a guide to drill the 4 anchoring holes as shown below. Install 4 anchor or lag bolts supplied into flooring. Check the level of the cabinet mount section and install shims as needed. Tighten the nuts anchoring the cabinet mount section securely. Important! For optimal performance, you must begin with a level installation. Carefully reinstall the lower cabinet section. For cabinets that came with pocket doors, install them with the hardware supplied before proceeding to the next step. Check level of the lower cabinet section and adjust the 4 leveling feet. Secure lower cabinet section to the cabinet mount section back panel using 8 wood screws supplied. Important! For optimal performance, you must begin with a level installation. Lower the center panels onto the countertop and secure using the screws located inside E and F modules. Reinstall the drawers and shelves. Reinstall the lower cabinet section doors. Carefully position the upper cabinet section onto the tech center and secure it using 4 1/4 20 hex screws. If you're utilizing the monitor mount and CPU storage, route cables from center of cabinet through upper module as you lower it into place. Reinstall the doors onto the upper cabinet section. Check all the utility connections and reinstall the access plates and screws to sub-base before putting cabinet into service.